Good morning children. In previous class we have discussed about the place values, ascending order and descending order. Today's our topic is expanded form. Expanded form. What is expanded form? Expanded form means, let us take some numbers. This is place value chart. You can see the numbers in the place value chart. This is place value chart and this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So you can see the numbers in the place value chart. So I have selected some of the numbers from these. So I have selected here in thousands place, I have selected 4. In hundreds place, I have selected 2. In tens, 5. In ones, 1. So how to expand these number? So the number is 4251. How to expand this number? Now I will show one more chart. So see the values here. This is thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. So see here. First the 4 is in which place? Thousands place. So how to expand 4? See here. Here the thousands place. See here, these are all thousands. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 9000. This is thousands place. See here 4. We need 4. 4 is in thousands place. Where is 4? Such the 4. So here is the 4. So how to expand 4? 4 means 4000. Now see, then move to the next place value, that is 100. See the number, which number is there in 100? So 100. This is hundreds place. See the expanded form in hundreds place. You can see the numbers 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and the number which we have taken here is 2. So 2 is in hundreds place. The expanded form of 2 is 200. So here it is 200. The expanded form of 2 is 200. Now see the next place value, 5. 5 is in which place? Tens place. So all the tens values you can see here clearly: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So no need all these numbers. We have taken the 5 in tens place. So we have to search for 5. Where is 5? So here it is 5. The place value of 5 in tens place is 50. Now let us move to the next place value, that is 1. 1 is in ones place. Now we will see in ones place. So here all the 1 digit numbers: 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are also, we have 1 in ones place. So we have to take 1. So the expanded form of the number which we have taken means 4251. So expanded form of this number is 4000. What we have to do after that? We have to do addition sign. Why? Because we have to add these all expanded form, then only we will get this number. So 4000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 1. The expanded form which we have seen in that chart is 4251. So if we add all these numbers, we will get the same number, 4251. Shall I take some more example? Now shall we take some more examples? Now 8347. So we will arrange the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. How to expand these? Now let us see. 8 is in which place? Thousands place. Just now we saw that 8 means 8000. 8 is in thousands place. We have to write 8000. Next the number 3. 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. How to expand 3? 3 is in hundreds place. So we have to expand 300. So here where is 4? 4 is in tens place. So we have to expand the 4. Then 4 is in tens place. We have to write 40. 7 is in ones place. So we have to expand 7. 7 1 means 7. So what is the value? 8347. So if we add all these numbers, we will get the same number. Let us see how to add all these numbers. So first we have to write the place values, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Now we will write all the numbers in vertical order. 8,000. 3 is in hundreds place, so we have to start from 3. So 300. 4 is in tens place, so we have to start from tens. So the last number is 7. 7 is in ones place, we have to write under ones. So we have to add all these numbers. See here, in ones place all zeros, only 7 is there, so we have to write here 7. In tens place all the digits here 0, here 4 is placed, so we have to write only 4. In hundreds place 0, 3 is there, so we have to write 3. In thousands place 8 is there, so we have to write 8. So if we add all these numbers, you got the same number, that is 8347. Expanded form means just we are elaborating that number. The 8000 means 8000, 300 means 300. 8 is in thousands place, so we have to write 8000. That full thousand we have to. 300 is in hundreds place, so we have to expand 300. So 4 is in tens place, we have expanded 4, that is 40. And 7 is in ones place, we have to write 7. So if we add all these numbers, we will get the same number. Did you understand, children, what is expanded form? So okay, we will take some more numbers and we will do the expanded form of that numbers. We will take some more numbers and we will do the expanded form of that numbers. See here. Now I am taking some more numbers. 8, 7, 4, 3. So how to expand these numbers? First we will write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Same. First 8 is in thousands place, so we have to 8 has 8,000 plus, and 7 is in hundreds place, we have to expand 700 plus, 4 is in tens place, we have to expand 4 has 40, and 3 is in ones place, as it is we have to write 3. Now ones, tens, hundreds. So here 4 is in hundreds place, we have to write 4 has 400. 3 is in tens place, we have to write 3 has 30. 7 is in ones place, we have to write as it is 7. Now we will take one more number, 2086. So here again we have to write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So 2 is in which place? Thousands place. So we have to expand 2 has 2000 plus. So here 0 is in hundreds place. So if 0 means nothing. If we write 0 or 2 zeros, there is no value. If we write how many zeros, many zeros also, there is that the value is nothing. So we have to write in hundreds place, nothing is there. So just in hundreds place we have to put 0 plus 8 is in tens place, we have to write 80, and 6 is in ones place, we have to write 6. Now we will take one more number, 2. So here also arrange the place values, arrange them in place values. So here 8000 to 8 is in thousands place, we have to expand 8. So here 100 in hundreds place, 0 is there, so we have to write as it is 0. So in tens place 0 is there, as it is we have to write 0, and in ones place 2 is there, we have to write 2. Okay, did you understand the expanded form of these numbers? Just we are elaborating the numbers. We are expanding the numbers. If it is 8000, we have to write 8 is in hundred thousands place. We have to write, we are expanding 8. 7 is in hundreds place, we are expanding 7 as 100, 700. 4 is in tens place, we are expanding 4 as 40. So these are the numbers we are. Now we'll go for the standard form. Standard form. What do you mean by standard form, children? Standard form is nothing but opposite of expanded form. So the standard form is nothing but opposite of expanded form. So how to take the numbers here? We have to take 8. If it is 800, if it is 30, here it is 7. How to write this number in the standard form? So how to write this number in the standard form? As it is. This is opposite to expanded form. So we have to write 8, 3, 7. Ones, tens, hundreds. So standard form is opposite to expanded form. When here expanding, here as it is, here you are writing 9,000 plus 230 plus 1. How to write this in standard form? 9, first number of days, 2, 3, 1. So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 1009 is in thousands place, we have to write 9000, you have to write 9 in thousands place. 200, we have to write 2 is hundreds place. 30, so 3 is in tens place, 1 is 1 place. Now we will take one more number. 40 plus 0. So how to write this number? Here 2000 is there, plus 0 is there, plus 40 is there, plus 4 is there. Now we will write as it is. If it is 2000, no, first we have to write 2000. Here 0 is there, as it is we have to write here 0. Here 40 is there, 4. Here also 0 is there, 0. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 2000 we have write in 2 is in thousands place. Nothing is there in hundreds place, so 0, as it is 0 we have written here. 40 is in tens place, so 4 is in tens place, 0. Here nothing is there, as it is we have write this. The value is 2040. Here also the value is 9231. Here the value is 837. Did you understand, children? How to write standard form and expanded form? Expanded form means we are expanding, we are elaborating the number. Standard form is as it is we are writing the in standard form. Okay, in your books you have these numbers. In your books you have these bits. So we have to you practice in your books. Take some more numbers and practice in your book. In your textbook, if you buy the books, you have the same form in your textbook. Okay, you write with pencil in your textbooks also. Did you understand standard form and expanded form? Now we will see the another number, that is greater or lesser or equals to, using the symbols. Using the symbols. So using the symbols, how to put greater, smaller or equals to. Now I will take for one number, if I take only 87, how to compare this number, whether it is equal, whether it is greater, whether it is lesser, how to compare? I can't compare only taking one number. So we have to take two numbers, two groups of numbers. So here 23 I have taken and here also 24 I have taken. So among these two, which one is greater? Among these two, which one is greater? So here first we will arrange the place values. Ones, tens. Ones, tens. Only 2-digit numbers are there. Ones, tens, ones. So you have to see first, you have to compare the first digit of the number. So first digit of the number we have compared. So here 2 is there, here 2 is there. So it is equal. No, it is wrong. Only 2 is not there. No, we have to take one more place value is also there. We have to check in another place value. So we have to move the another place value, that is 3 and 4. So here 3 is there, here 4 is there. In ones place 3 is there, in ones place 4 is there. So here which one is greater? 3 is greater or 4 is greater? 4 is greater. Where is 4? Here, 24. So this one is greater. Like this we have to compare the numbers. We have to put the sign. Now we will take one more number. 386, 468. 386, 468. Now we will see same as it is. First we have to arrange them in place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Now we will see the place value. See the first place value, that is 100. Here 3 is there. Here 4 is there. So no need here, already here we can see that 4 is more than 3. No need to go for other numbers. If these both are equal, then we have to move to the another place value. So here 4 is there, here 3 is there. So 4 is greater than 3. So obviously the sign is this side. Okay, we will take one more number. 3086 and 3046. Okay, now we will compare these two numbers. So first arrange them in place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now see the number here. Here 3 is there. Here also 3 is there. Next place value here 100. In hundreds place 0 is there. Here also 0 is there. Now see the tens place. Here 8 is there. Here 40 is there. 8 is in tens place, so the value is 80. 4 is in tens place, the value is 40. Which one is greater? 80 or 40? So obviously 80 is greater. So we have to put the sign this side. Okay. Now we will take one more example. 4968, 4968. This is my value. So okay, now we will compare the numbers. Here 4. First we have to arrange them in place values. Here also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now arrange them in place values. Here 4, here 4, here 9. In hundreds place 9. Here 6, here 6, here 8, here also 8. So all when we comparing to the place value, all the numbers are equal. So which sign we have to put? We have to put equals to sign. Okay, did you understand children how to compare the numbers according to their place? We have to compare the numbers according to their place values. Did you understand? So today's topic, what we have discussed? We have discussed expanded form, standard form, and using the symbols. So take some more examples of your own and practice in your books. If you buy the books, you have the same topics in your books. You can practice. Take pencil and practice in your books, and that same problems you practice in your notebooks. Okay children, thank you.